This is the question based on hybridization and shape of molecule, CSIR 2011, 4 marks question. Among the following pair in which both species have similar structure are, we have given the 4 option. In these 4 option we have to find out which species are having the similar structure. N3 negative, XeF2 first pair, second pair ClF2 ICl2 negative, third pair ICl4 negative, platinum tetrachloride 2 negative, xenon tetroxide and sulfur trioxide. Now this is a simple compound. बस करते वक्त थोड़ा सा इतना ध्यान रखना है कि structures ध्यान में रखते हुए we have to in our mind we have to keep the structure of the compound so that we can easily find out their shapes. Like in the first option we can find out the hybridization of xenon difluoride. Hybridization, as I have given the formula, number of valence electron in central atom is xenon and number of valence electron of xenon is 8 plus number of monovalent atom, that is 2. So the hybridization is equals to 5, that is sp3d. So it has the 5 pair. In 5 pair there are 2 pair are the bond pair. So it means there are 2 bond pair and 3 lone pair. As we know, the lone pair in trigonal bipyramidal, the lone pair are present on the equatorial position. So the structure of the compound will be linear. Now in case of azide, if we go according to the hybridization, the structure is completely wrong, because in hybridization there is a resonance structure takes place. So that's why we have to keep only in this type of the structure we क्या करते हैं कि we have gone according to the hybridization and sometime we didn't take care that के उसमें resonance है, so that's why the structure should be changed. So like in case of azide ion, the resonance structure of the compound is compound will be like this, so that's why it is having the linear structure. So the XeF2 is linear and azide ion is also linear, so this pair is having the similar structure. लाइक अब क्या होता है कि पता चल गया, आगे चेक ही नहीं करते हैं, बट दैट वी हैव नॉट टू डू. हमें क्या करना है, आगे भी चेक करना है. लाइक इन केस ऑफ ClF2 द हाइब्रिडाइजेशन इज इक्वल्स टू 7 + 2, नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन इन क्लोरीन 7, नंबर ऑफ मोनोवैलेंट एटम इज 2, minus positive charge. So that's why here I have taken -1 divided by 2, that is 4. In total pair 4, 2 is the bond pair and 2 is the lone pair. So that is the band shape. This is the structure of the compound. Now the next structure that has been given, that is ICl2 negative hybridization, number of valence electrons 7, number of monovalent atom 2 plus 1, because the negative charge should be plus and the positive charge should be minus. So the total pair is 5. In total pair of 5, 2 bond pair and 3 lone pair. So the compound will be linear. So first is band, second is linear. Now next option, ICl4 negative hybridization 7 + 4 + 1 upon 2, 6. So there is a 6 pair. In 6 pair there are 4 bond pair and 2 lone pair, and in that case the structure will be square planar. Now platinum tetrachloride, the oxidation of platinum is +2, so the hybridization will be DsP2 and the geometry will be square planar. So both the compound are having the square planar structure. It means we are having 2 options in which the similar structure are present, and the last is xenon trioxide, that is hybridization. In that case there is no monovalent atom is present, so that's why the hybridization will be equals to valence electron upon 2, that is 4. In total pair of 4, 3 will be bond pair and 1 will be lone pair. So in that case the structure will be pyramidal like that. And sulfur trioxide hybridization 6/2, again no monovalent atom is present like in that. So the total pair is 3, and in 3 pair there are only 3 bond pair is present, 0 lone pair. So that's why the structure will be trigonal planar, trigonal planar. So we have 2 species. We have the 2 options which are having the similar structure. The first is A and the next is B. So the option A and B are correct.